Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. Shiba Inu burn is confirmed by Google CEO, prepared to never work again. The news on Monday at Saxo hours, following the demise of Silicon Valley banks, which threatened the viability of most tech businesses. Hundreds of festival attendees filed into a virtual Zen escape complete with charming bamboo and cherry tree forests that swayed in the wind, as well as an iconic monument honoring the Japanese hunting dog breed known as the Shiba Inu, which was given the name Logu Agmi Temple in reference to the cryptocurrency catchphrase, "We're all going to make it." In this video, we'll discuss how it provided a break from the collapsing financial ecosystems and the first glimpse at the metaverse being created by the Shu cryptocurrency creators. CEO of Google affirms that Shiba Inu burn prepared to never work again. For the most recent information on expert analysis and price predictions for Shiba Inu, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others. Now let's start the video. Decentralization of cryptocurrency amid bank runs like Friday's is unavoidable. The enigmatic lead developer of Shiba Inu, Shoshi Kusama, goes only by his pseudonym. He uses a long cloak and hooded figure as an avatar. He uses Google Meet to inform Fast Company about the bank's fractional reserves. With his video camera turned off, he types into a chatbot without speaking aloud. As more people realize this and decide to diversify, the number of adoptions increases to 5% globally. People then wonder what this SHIB thing is and discover how amazing we are, something some of them already know. Web3 enthusiasts continue to be a specialized portion of Twitter, but inside the crypto Dean SHIB may have the most cult-like following of any cryptocurrency. It was created 2.5 years ago as a joke to raise a dogecoin killer to overtake the rival meme-based token Dogecoin. However, its devoted supporters, known as the SHIB Army, couldn't have been more serious together. Together, they managed to propel a Shiba Inu into a top 10 cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $44 billion through nothing more than a bootstrapped rally on social media. Along the way, its universe has expanded with the introduction of shibaswap, a decentralized exchange platform, and a collection of 10,000 Shoshi nefts, pixelated Shibu characters with various traits, like a pirate hat or a slice of pizza dangling from the dog's mouth. After receiving praise from Elon Musk, the creator of Ethereum and the italic buttering, Shibu partnered with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. What started out as lighthearted meme trolling has now grown to 3.6 million followers on cryptocurrency. It was the third most Googled cryptocurrency globally. Now it's taking its biggest leap yet with its layer to blockchain called Shibarium, which rolled out in beta last week along with a set of new tokens in preparation for a flagship metaverse Shib, the metaverse, which will open with its first virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond. With it, Shib hopes to become more than just a meme coin. Some of the loudest people on Twitter are also quick to pile onto news blasts, flinging hashtags like Shib Army Strong and Ash Hail Shib, promising to take Shib hashtag to the moon in 2022. Shinu's strange backstory adds to the attraction. Its creator, Rosie, was likewise cloaked in mystery before abruptly disappearing from the internet last summer. Ironically, his cat-shaped avatar vanished from the discords for good, but he left behind traces. The road map that Ross left behind was followed by Shoshi after the token garnered 6,000 wallets. However, prior to Musk's tweets that sent the price of the SHIB skyrocketing, the team has not decided on the tokenomics for Leash and Bone, or whether they will keep a share. Shoshi claims that the money from the sale of the metaverse land plot funds metaverse development, while the money from Shoshi's NAT sales goes elsewhere. Venture capital, but the SHIB's greatest asset is its community, a term that appears frequently in blog posts, tweets, and magazine interviews. As Marcy Gastro SHIB Metaverse lead advisor tells Fast Company, even as they plot the metaverse, they're taking Army feedback into account. The team hired a company to build it using Unreal Engine software, but they don't have a creative director. Instead, they create concept art and black and white sketches first, then post the drafts to a blog and wait for social media discussion before making final adjustments to color and render in 3 dimensions. The first of the project's 11 zones, the WNI temple is an unspoiled fantasy land with grazing deer and open-air yoga. The community extends even to other metaverses like Decentral and the Sandbox, or Yuga Labs' other side, which is typically seen as competition, but Jastrow insists that the pioneers must come together for a space as meaningful and transformative as the metaverse. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality, saying that while it might seem overly friendly, particularly during the lean times of the cryptocurrency winter, when venture capital funding has frozen over and survival feels more cutthroat than ever, but gaster because every metaverse struggles to sell people on the idea of living on a Web 3 or even a 3D Web 2, despite Mark Zuckerberg's fervent campaign for Horizon Worlds Meta. People are now more focused on artificial intelligence than the metaverse, so what's good for one may be excellent for all. The idea on which Zuckerberg staked his company's reputation following the Metaverse division's $13.3 billion loss in 2022, with only 8,000 daily active users, Centraland, arguably the industry leader, was trading at a 60-cent discount to the dollar late last year. Meanwhile, other Metaverse coins have seen significant declines of up to 80%, with a total of 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of 0.0000001. With its present market value of $6 billion, Shibu would have an amazing implied valuation of $589 trillion, far above even the gross domestic product, if the token were to seek for the val of $1 per token as previously projected. Shiba Inu's most recent advancements are making news. Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency powering the second largest meme coin, has seen a surge in popularity among investors drawn by its potential for high returns as demand for the token grows, as its community of holders and traders continues to grow. Of course, any serious investor will realize that such a price would not be attainable without drastic reductions in supply, but many enthusiasts are enticed by the potential profits of investing in this unique millennial-driven cryptocurrency given its current low price and high potential rewards. Shiba Inu, the token powering the second largest meme coin, flew 15% to trade at 0.120 at the time of writing. Despite the double-digit move in the last day, Shib had emerged in January, rising 96% to a new yearly high of 0.00000011576 by early February. In order for investors to properly affirm a new bull market, Shibu needs to take a few boxes. With a market capitalization of $6.6 billion, the second most popular memory coin has been trading at 0.000000120 during the past 24 hours. In spite of the immediate resistance, the 100-day exponential moving average currently caps price movement below 0.112. A break above this crucial moving average is still necessary for SHIB to maintain the breakout from the falling trend line. Shiba Inu's trading volume has increased by 30% to $321 million, suggesting that investors are piling in more money. Important momentum metrics, such as the convergence of the moving average after the market as a whole and Shiba Inu, were dumped owing to Silicon Valley Bank's failure. Divergence revealed a resolute bullish face. The daily time frame chart showed a buy signal from the MACD. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the buy signal while remaining above the mean line. The price of Shiba Inu is above the 100-day moving average, 100 EMA, which is at 0.111 on the 4-hour chart. Keep in mind that the 100 EMA is the immediate resistance on the daily chart. A daily close above 0.111 could confirm that support is intact and the path with the least resistance is to the upside. That concludes today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up. Buyers are determined to hold on to the precious gains this time, especially during this week's recovery ahead of the Federal Reserve's decision on a possible interest rate hike on March 22nd. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.